That's life.
Kay Angel naman, same question din na hindi yung aging ako, hindi. Ano yung part ng katawan mo? Kasi you're perfectly okay. Tapos, ano yung part ng katawan mo na gustong-gusto, na pinupuri palagi ni JL?
Gusto, ano ba?
Wow!
Kilig!
Lambot?
Everything!
Talaga-dalagahan?
May palagi niyang pinipisin, cute-cute mo, gusto ko parang ganon.
Ako?
Alam mo rin, nilalasuan ako sa tanong mo. Chika! Go,
Gusto
Angel.
niya kasi siya
Patuloy mo.
Talaga. Naku, ano yun? Ayaw na lang nagkukwento ako ng personal. Strict kasi yun eh.
Wow.
Wow.
Feeling ko yung lips ko.
Oh.
Kasi lagi niyang kinikiss.
Pero Angel, para ma-maintain ba yung beauty at saka yung katawan, ano yung mga sacrifices mo?
Wala. Wala! Taray!
Hindi siyempre kinakailangan sa role na ganito ka, ganyan-ganyan, or character dapat ganito ang peg, di ba?
Well, actually, sa totoo lang, nung ginagawa ko talaga to, na-enjoy ko talaga siya kasi kung ibang pelikula to, grabe na siguro yung pressure sa akin na ang laki kong tignan, kailangan talaga mag-crash diet ako, ganyan. So, nung ginagawa ko siya, all the more na nakikita kong ganun ako kataba, talaga na-enjoy naman namin. Actually, hirap na hirap kaming kunin yung mga eksena kasi nga tawang-tawa kami parati sa itsura ko, ganun. Yun siguro. Siyempre mahirap siya kasi hindi naman lang ito yung trabaho ko. May iba pa akong kailangan gawin. Tapos, naririnig mo na nga rin yung mga tao. Siyempre yung management, sasabihin na sobra na, ganun. So, kailangan mo talagang ibalik na yung come back to the young and beautiful.
Come back.
Come back. Diba? Kailangan mo na talagang ibalik yung dating ikaw. Kung saan ka talaga nagustuhan ng mga tao. Siyempre, kailangan lovable ka pa din, charming ka pa din tignan, at maganda ka pa rin tignan sa paningin nila. So, kung medyo mataba ka, baka ilipat nila yung channel. Iniisip ko lang din yung network si Ma'am Charo. So,
Nagkaroon ka na rin ba ng fat memo or something?
hot memo, hindi naman. Text lang.
Facts.
Oo, text lang. Iha, tama na.
Alam na agad.
Sabi ko, opo, Ma'am Charo, pipirma na po ang kontrata, nakatakot ko.
Thank you. Kay Nanette naman, Miss Nanette. Nanette, ang aging ba problema sa profession?
I don't think so. Sabi nga nila, if ever there's a struggle when it comes to aging, for me, health issues lang. Talaga, kasi kanina pa nila pinag-uusapan ng kagandahan ko eh. Taba. O hindi ba? So, I never had that problem because when I entered the show business, nandun ako sa mold na yon. So, wala akong problema sa glamour. Hindi naman yung departamento ko. Yung department ko na comedy. So, ang comedy sa akin, hindi nagiging, aging, hindi nagiging issue sa akin dahil kasi nga, kung sakasakaling issue, yung health problems lang. Like, I became diabetic 17 years ago. 15 years ago, to be exact. Dahil nga dun sa aking weight ko na sumobra yatang indulgence.
Kaya po pumayat na rin kayo ng ganyan.
Oo, sabi na ng doktor ko, ikaw din. Sabi niya, oo, Dok, nakakahiyanan. Kasi pag-upo ko sa toilet bowl, nag-crack. Ay, sabi ko naman, crackling craze na talaga ako.
Oh.
So, sabi ko ganon, no. But because naging diabetic ako, medyo natakot ako. That's when I started to go on a diet. And also, I do a lot of walking now. And of course, ang sa akin pagdating na doon sa ibang klase issues, yung talaga yung pagpapaganda, yung what used to be concave is now convex, what used to be hardware is now software, mga ganun. Parang wala, alam mo, I always have comedy as my coping eh.
Pero when it comes to yung mga bagong satang comedians ngayon na medyo talagang palaban, were you intimidated by them because of age or ganyan?
I don't think so. Kasi everyone has his own style. and everyone has his own flavor and to what to present, and so everyone is talented when it comes to comedy. They have their own comedy, they have their own style, they have their own handles in doing it. But I got myself into comedy doing characters. I was launched as Doña Buding. And then I went into other characters until recently I went into Nanit na Foolish. And recently I had a stint at the K-pop doing Attorney Vajiji Reyes. And I also did Attorney Pakim Kim Henares. And they're all characters. So, and also I reprised Nanit na Foolish. So there's a little bit every now and then of Doktora Becky Bella. I also have that. But yung sa akin is, I always do characters, hindi yung basta chuk. But also in some other shows, I do Nanette Inventor as myself and just making blah blah about anything under the sun. So, I guess, may kanya-kanya tayong flavor, o may kanya-kanya tayong style and handle in doing your comedy. And I guess if you're good at that, then fine. It has nothing to do with age. Age does not matter. It's the battle that matters.
Thank you. Salamat.
And with that question from Tita Ethel,
Ayan nga, kay Teacher Joe, and then,
tuloy mo pa rin namin siya.
may pagtatanong.
May,
O, hindi na.
sino na yung tanong sa'yo?
Ha?
Okay na yon?
Okay na.
Okay.
Tapos si Rose.
Okay.
Rose, magtatanong ka.
Wag na daw. Sasagot na. Sure?
Alaan, may tanong.
Tanungin ko lang si Angelica, mabilis lang, Tita Ethel. Ayan si Alan Policarp.
O, ito, sandali.
Okay, ito na.